Hey, so we're in for the build game challenge. For the retro game that I chose is this 2048 game. If you already know about it, it's like a game where you have like a 4x4, then you get a 2 or a 4, then you have to move them around. You're going to see on a 4x4 grid. So you can see this is my prompt: build a complete 2048 game in Python using Tkinter for the GUI. The game should feature each of the following: a 4x4 grid with the tiles that combine when moved in the same direction and have the same value. So that is how it works. Arrow key controls for up, down, and left and right moves. Automatic spawning of a new tile 2 or 4 after each move. Then game over detection when no moves are possible. Then you should have a score display and reset or new game button. Responsive, visually clear tile rendering with color coding based on the tile value, or structured modular code with clear separation between the game logic as well as the UI. Include comments and instructions for running the game. So let's see what's going to come up out of this prompt. So I'm using the Cloud4 Sonnet as the model that I chose here. So let's see what's coming up here. Started to think it's going to build a couple of things. Hopefully it's not going to time out. So I'm going to pause so that it doesn't take too long. We'll be back once it's done. So it finished creating some requirements, and then I can see it's already creating a README. There's a Python file that was created. Now these are some tests that are going to take. Let me trust. Put a T so that you can trust, so that you can see whether to check. It's already checked the version of Python. Let's check the Tkinter. Let's say it's going to use a Python 3, making it executable. Now it created some test file. I think it's finished. What you're going to get out of this. Looks very interesting. Did it very quite fast. So it has already done it. It has done a number of different things here. Gives different methods of executing it. Okay, it says it's ready to work. So let me just say now push it to my GitHub and add our GitHub specific files. But we'll wait from there. So I'm going to check. I think it's going to use GitHub CLI if I'm not wrong. But if it doesn't, I'm going to tell it to do that. The moment you connect Q CLI with your GitHub CLI, it makes your life very easy. It has already created a .git ignore, very important. I think a license, MIT license. Super interesting. uh, it's not telling us that our game is not telling us that our game is now complete. And we have our repo here. I'm going to control click on it. And let me switch. Let's try to run it. So it's a great. Let's run it. The game is here. Let's see. Love it. Looking good. Yeah, I can see it's working. And I survive. Let's see. I'm loving this thing. And it's seeing what I'm playing, and I'm going to get lost. This game doesn't want me to lose. No more. Final score of 1296. Been able to play the game. Looks good. Looks good. And works very well. Okay. That was my kind of a game. That was my game. Thank you.